Hola, clase. It's your professor here, Senor Lim. I'm here today because, hey, I got something for you all. I have the vocab words for 5.2. This is the vocabulary for 5.2. Now, I know, you know, you guys are on summer break and my voice is the last thing that you want to hear, but I'm telling you right now that this is really, really helpful for you, and this will help you for next year when you go into Español dos. Okay, and besides, this is some pretty cool vocab here, because I know you guys are probably planning your 8th grade graduation parties. You're going to party it up like it was 1999. However, so I have your vocab words right here, so maybe you could use these while you guys are getting down. Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of the vocab words are dealing with planning with a party and doing household chores, and there's other ones as well. So I'm going to go over them. I'm going to say them, maybe tell you some ways of telling you some ways of how to remember them, and then we'll go ahead and do some practice. Okay, so vamos a empezar. Let's go ahead and begin. So I have here for los números uno a siete, I have to plan a party. Okay. The first word here is bailar. Okay, bailar, and you can see underneath here I have the pronunciations. Bailar. Bailar means to dance. Okay, so think of a ballet. Okay, Enrique Iglesias has that song Bailamos, or Bailando. So it's his new one. So that means dancing. Okay. Número dos is cantar, is to sing. Okay. Número tres is celebrar, is to celebrate, and that is a cognate, celebrar. Celebrar doesn't mean like to, jump off a bridge or something. It means to celebrate. Okay. Número cuatro is dar una fiesta. I am going to say right now, dar. Pay close attention to that word because it's going to hit up on our next grammatical point. Dar means to give. So if I say dar una fiesta, is to give a party. Número cinco right here is las decoraciones. Las decoraciones. Okay, so las decoraciones, once again, it's a cognate. It means decorations. Now, número seis right underneath is decorar. Decorar means to decorate. Okay. Now we have talked about fiestas. All right, fiestas, and I'm going to tell you a fiesta de sorpresa is a surprise party. All right. So fiesta de sorpresa is a surprise party. Número ocho. This is our false cognate alert. False cognate alert. El globo. Okay. El globo. It's not a globe, like, that big round thing with all the water around it, okay? El globo means balloon, okay? Now, if you think about a balloon, okay, they're round, like a globe, okay? And filled with air and all that good stuff. But those are, el globo is a balloon, okay? Número nueve is los invitados are guests, okay? Think about it this way. Guests are invited to your party. So los invitados are guests, okay? And look at número 10 is invitar a, okay? Invitar a means to invite. Do you guys remember why we have this a here? You guys remember? If you said it's the personal a and that you invite only people to your party, like I invite John, you're going to say invito a John. You cannot just say invito John, okay? And that is why I have that a there. So if you said that, good job. Número 11 is salir. Salir means to leave. Okay, once again, salir is, if you look at salir, it means to leave. It's one of our other grammatical points as well. Okay, número 12 is el secreto, is secret. Okay, cognate here, it's el secreto, it looks like secret. Okay, número 13, venir. Okay, venir is to come. Okay, like to come to a party. All right, so venir means to come. Okay, now if we're talking about gifts, okay, número 14 is abrir. Abrir, okay, abrir means to open, kind of like abrir la puerta is to open the door. We can open gifts as well. Okay, número 15 is a cool one. Buscar, buscar. It means to look for. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people, when they say, like, I look for somebody, you're going to say busco para. No, you don't need that para, because for is already given to you. So you would say, if I was saying, like, I'm looking for gifts, you would say busco los regalos. Okay. Número 16. Envolver is to wrap, not to wrap like a higa higa higa. Alright. Envolver means to wrap, like, you know, gifts and so on and so forth. If you look, envolver has a UE after it. That O goes to UE when you conjugate it. Okay. 17 is el papel de regalo. Okay, el papel de regalo, and that is wrapping paper. Okay. Número 18, recibir. Recibir is to receive. Número 19 is el regalo, is a gift. El regalo is a gift. And número 20 is traer. Traer is to bring. I will also say, remember traer, because it's one of our grammatical points. Okay. Now, to have a party, you have to talk about chores. Okay. Now, no one likes to do chores, but chores are pretty cool, I guess. Okay. So if I'm talking about chores, it's número 21 is acabar de. Acabar de. It means to have just done something, or to have just. Okay. For example, I could say yo acabo de comer. If I say yo acabo de comer, comer meaning to eat, it would just say I have just eaten. Okay. Número 22 is ayudar. Ayudar is to help. Número 23, barrer el suelo. Okay, barrer el suelo is to sweep the floor. Número 24 is cocinar, is to cook. Okay, if you think about it, la cocina means kitchen, but if you say cocinar, means to cook. 25 is cortar el césped, is to mow the lawn. Cortar el césped. Número 26 is darle de comer al perro. That's a long one. Darle de comer al perro. Okay, you already know what a perro means. Okay, and darle de comer al perro means to feed the dog. Okay, now, número 27, do not get it confused with beber. Okay, beber, remember, means to drink. So deber means should or ought to. Okay. Número 28 is hacer la cama. Okay, hacer la cama is to make the bed. Hey, listen, remember, if I wanted to say I make the bed, how would I say I make the bed? Would it be hago la cama or hago la cama? If you said hago la cama, you are correct. Remember, in the yo form, it goes hago. There's a G in there. Okay. Número 29 is lavar los platos, is to wash the dishes. Número 30 is limpiar, to clean. Alright, now número 31 is limpio, means clean. Okay. Número 32 is pasar la aspiradora, is to vacuum. 33 is planchar la ropa, to iron. Número 34, sorry about that, is poner la mesa, is to set the table. Now, if I say poner, just poner itself, that means to put, to place, or in this case, to set. Okay. Número 35 is los quehaceres. Los quehaceres are chores. Número 36, sacar la basura. To take out the trash. I hate taking out the trash. Número 37 is sucio, dirty. Alright. Let's go with 30. Now, for 38 through 42, we have other words or phrases. Alright, decir is to say or to tell. Número 39 means IK, means one must or one ought to. Think of it just as the same as tengo que. So this is IK, one must or ought to. Número 40, I just said it. Poner means to put or to place. You already saw poner with poner la mesa. Okay. Número 41, si. Wait a minute. Si means if? Yes, it does. If it doesn't have an accent, si means if. If it does, it means yes. You guys know that from back in the day. And finally, 42 is todavía. Todavía means still or yet. Alright? Now, there's some other words that you go over, but here's the deal. Let's go over these words, okay? Let's see how well you do. So, if I did this, if I said hacer la cama, what does it mean? Yep, to make the bed. Alright. What about deber? Should or ought to. Good. How about cortar el césped? Remember, think about a lawn. Or to cut. To mow the lawn. To cut the lawn. Muy bien. Alright. Sucio. Okay. Sucio. Okay. If I didn't take a shower for 5 days, I would be sucio. Or dirty. Sacar la basura. Usually I am sucio after I sacar la basura. Alright, because, you know, I'm kind of a germaphobe. Sacar la basura is to take out the trash. Alright, what about poner la mesa? Poner la mesa. To set the table is correct. Alright, cantar. I'll give you a hint. Cantar. That's pretty bad, but cantar means to sing. Good. Alright, what about bailar? Alright, bailar, ballet, bailar. To dance. Good. Oh, darle de comer al perro. And I will tell you, remember, just think of perro right here. What the heck do you do to the dog? Yeah, you feed it, right? To feed the dog is darle de comer al perro. Alright, celebrar. Alright, that should be easy. That's to celebrate. You should know that one. Alright, el papel de regalo. You have to know this word regalo here. And you should know what papel means. So, it should be wrapping paper. Okay? Remember, si means if. Alright? Buscar. Buscar means to look for. Alright? Ayudar. To help. Planchar la ropa. You should know what la ropa means. So planchar means to iron. Okay? Salir is to leave. Traer. To bring. Decir. To say or to tell. Lavar los platos, or lavar los platos, means to wash the dishes. Acabar de is to have just, like, done something or something. Alright, envolver is to wrap. Hige. Limpio, once again, I take a shower now. I am clean. Alright, el regalo is a gift. Invitar a means to invite. And remember, you're inviting people, alright, to your party. So that should be invitar a. Fiesta de sorpresa is a surprise party. El globo is a globe, right? No, good job. It is a balloon. Okay. Limpiar. Alright, think about limpio. Okay. Limpiar means to clean. Dar una fiesta is to give a party. Okay, so dar una fiesta, to give a party. IK, this one's a crazy one. IK means one must or ought to. Abrir is to open. Decorar, to decorate. It's a regular AR verb, so it's going to be decorar is to decorate. Poner, it means to put or to place. El secreto, you should know that one. That's secret. Okay. Los invitados are guests. Los invitados. Pasar la aspiradora. Which one is this? To vacuum. Good job. Alright. Barrer el suelo is to sweep the floor. Las decoraciones. What is that? Las decoraciones. Decorations. Alright. Los quehaceres are chores. Alright. Cocinar, to cook. Venir is to come. Venir, to come. Todavía, still or yet. And then finally, recibir means to receive. Okay. Now, you can find this all on Quizlet.com if you go to SeniorLim KHS. I have all these flashcards made with me. So that is it for the vocabulario de 5.2. Alright, hope you had fun. Have a great summer, and see you soon.